What's up everyone and welcome back to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to request a time-in off on Amazon A2Z. The Amazon A2Z app lets employees request PTO, vacation or unpaid time off directly from their phone. Firstly, launch the Amazon A2Z app. Log in into your employee account and from the home screen, look for the time or schedule. Now, tap Time Off or Leave, then select Request Time Off. This opens the request for. Now pick the type of leave you want like PTO, vacation, unpaid time, sick leave. The app shows your available balance automatically. Now all you have to do is choose the dates you want off, select full day or partial shift, and review the hours being deducted. Now double check the accuracy before submitting and then tap on Submit Request. Wait for confirmation and your manager may need to approve the request depending on site policy. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the content and for more, and I'll see you on the next one.